This is how you do a oil reset on a 2023 BMW X5. So without pressing the brake, you press the start stop button 3 times. You'll see the dashboard with the information right there. So again, ensure that check engine light is shown there. So wait for the screen to settle off. And you're going to look for the BC button. It's on the left side. Right there. This is the BC button. So press the BC button. Press and hold the BC button until engine oil information comes up. That is about like 20 seconds. So right there, engine oil, reset possible. So press the BC button again. Press and hold the BC button. Alright, give you a reset with a question mark. So let go of the BC button. Press and hold the BC button again. Alright, so once it's reset in progress, you're good to go. So reset successful. The mileage, next mileage to reset to do oil changes, 11,000 miles. So you can go ahead and start the vehicle just to confirm that that's done. So that's it.